Okay, wonder the say shall never end. You know, when you thought you have heard it all from this Royce, he keep on bringing different, propaganda and attack. I'm surprised to see this one. You know, people said that the one of the reason why he don't want to give account is because the account itself received some huge amount of money from Nigerian government, according to what Governor of Enugu State claimed, that is Peter Mba, that he has evidence against PM that there's a money laundering issue, fraudulent money, that the government lost also amount of money, that they traced the money and tracked the money, found that that money landed in the Biafran government account, the account that they're using for fundraising and all that. So that was the rumor. Immediately after the arrest of PM, the rumor that and the amount they're talking about is about $150 million. And I think some say 150, some say 200, some say 500. So I don't know. But that's a huge amount of money. Now, this guy being Rush, and I have something to say after this because I believe this account Ogenkere could be the one behind this, or Akparawa. But whoever that is the person may be, let's go through his write up here. The write up will interest you. He said, "I have been hammering on the 14th of November deal between Ngozi Orabueze and the Zoo Republic. Go and ask your COS the 150 million dollars. What is it for? Is it that the zoo transferred the money to sponsor the convention that took place in Finland, or maybe something that France need to know. Now, why he keep on talking about convention? Remember, I made a post on our platform, our main platform, where we talked about what this guy said. As I know that, according to him, he said that COS declared Biafra that the name USB has been contaminated with Islamic people, Islamic group, and PM cannot accept anything in Islam. That immediately, once PM comes out, that the name USB will be valid because Biafrans are going to bring a new name from Bridge to answer, not no more United States of Biafra. The same guy is the one that said that. Knowing, just to tell you that how close the owner of this account called Royce is to Akparawa and Ogenkere. Not it is far different from man on ground, to be honest with you. If at all he find himself as man on ground, maybe it simply means he's not an Igbo person because there's other posts that we're going to react on it later. I don't know if I'm going to react to do that reaction here on our main platform, but just follow the two platforms so that anytime we post a video, you will join us and we will be able to relate with what the topic is all about. So this is just to tell you. So you guys are saying that don't get the Nigeria paid money. That we can also say the same thing. Are you getting the point? Nobody discussing or have any issue or any news about COS account that a 150 million is transferred to her account. This thing is the same thing that Ogi can refuse to, show the account details so people will know, and they are all helping him to navigate his way out from the reality. The reality is that there's money transferred to your account, and that money, people need to know how the money is being transferred to your account and what is the purpose of the money and who actually is behind the transfer. What happened? Okay, you cannot just see account and wire money into it. No, it doesn't work that way. You must release the details of the account for you the money to go in. And Ogekere, who is the account holder, refused to say anything about it. Instead, he said there's no money at all. But the people that are championing the probe of PM are telling you there's something there. Are you getting the point? Then Biafrans who happen to be the contributor of the money want to know what has happened, why this argument going back and forward, who is behind it, and what has transpired. She don't want he don't want to, because maybe he is she, I don't know if the man or woman that bear the account. He don't want the person don't want to talk about it. Okay, we don't want to debunk it. We don't want to say anything about it at all. But guess what? The abuse is telling you what you need to know and what they think about you. But we are gonna go through it. If you hear the comment here. Brandley said, "This man, you are Mumu. This man, you are Mumu is much. Is in Orabueze. Is in Orabueze is running to do account for Biafra or Genkere. Ikebukwa. And those, this evil woman. Reka said, whoa, whoa, man, what a shame. And the Biafran land and the Biafrans can never forgive and forget judgment at all costs, awaiting physically and spiritually. What to be honest with you? Sample SSPN. Okay, this one is different thing altogether. And this one said, when men, when men, when men say that there are no more men left, some fools. Okay, when MNK, sorry, said there's no men left, some fools may not understand what he was saying. And you, Royce, is clearly is a you, Command Royce, is clear case example. You get the point. Every time you come on this social media platform, ranting like a disgruntled idiot, you are now you are on what account was the money paid into. Okay, disgruntled idiot, you are. Okay, ranting as a disgruntled idiot, you are. What account was the money paid into? Sorry that I misread it. But the only thing you need to understand is that people are not taking it lightly from him. And you yourself, I believe most of you that are here, you are aware of the money they say that that was wired in Ogeke's account. And that money is what people need to question and ask questions that is needed to be asked, because you cannot just ignore all those things and claim that it's not COS that the money is being sent to account. This will tell you how criminal minded these people can be. Can you just imagine that? What is your own take on that? Because everything he says is here. He's trying to defend the evil. He's trying to hide and turn the table around on innocent person. Very, very, very funny. But Biafrans, like I said, they understand what is taking. Look at it here. With the same amount of money, because they're not even intelligent. If you want to do this kind of propaganda, you should use another figure. But similar, to use the same amount that people are saying that don't get credit, that they wired don't get credit account, and which he have not come out, publicly to distance himself from that. Instead, he keep on saying that no, no. But even if you don't want to give account, or maybe if you are right, there's no money wired in your account. What about the money that Biafra contributed? Can we know how you spend it? The answer is no. They keep on covering that, and they pushing me, pushing me, pushing me. Can you pushing me, push you to when you when are you gonna realize that you need to stop pushing me? They pushing me. Now look at it. And I don't know what's wrong with the picture that they're sharing here. The picture of COS is okay, but they always look for something to do propaganda. Anyway, there are some notes that I want you to connect about this guy called Rush. Now, let me tell you this before we end this video. This guy said that he's second in command of Butuzo, right? Yeah, that's what he said. Now, then he will tell you that he said his junior officer is the Holy Ghost, right? Okay. The same Holy Ghost that he considers as junior officer is the one that is secretary to the seat at home they claim they had few days ago. So the seat at home they said they had, Holy Ghost is one that is the command. This is to tell you that Butuzo is not aware, he's not in support of the seat at home because he's not with the government. But they're using his name to commit nuisance because they don't want to accept the fact. If the DM accept that Butuzo has gone to USB, they will lose a huge number of followers. But our people, some of us, he got quoted by Hamadis before he quoted that if you could be so could just open the score to understand, to be able to reason. I don't know why it's like that. Because if you can think critically, you understand that what this guy is saying, he have exposed the truth without knowing. Those who have sense, those who have their two eyes wide open, can see through that. Anyway, I just want to make a quick reaction to this. Tell me what you think about it and make sure you like the video. God bless you. I see you again. Bye bye for now.